So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and are safe, and for those of you all who are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I am Prakriti, and for today's video you might have guessed with this look and makeup that it would be a festive makeup look, and this is the look that I'm talking about. So yes, I'm very excited to show you how I have created, and if you are also interested, please do keep on watching. But yes, before beginning with this video, if you guys are not already subscribed, please do consider subscribing. So yes, without much ado, let's just hop straight into the video. So I'll be beginning with the first step, and it's my all-time favorite primer from the brand Swiss Beauty. And yes, you have guessed it right, it's the Real Makeup Base Primer, and this is in the shade N02 Golden Tint. So I'll just be taking some on my hands and applying it all over my face, क्योंकि festive है and glow किसको नहीं पसंद. So I'll be taking some and applying it all over my face. So you can already see how glowy and dewy my face looks. Like मैंने just एक primer लगाया and this is what it has done to my face. So that is why I love this primer a lot. Like एक dewy glowy base भी दे देता है and साथ में moisturization भी provide कर देता है. So next I'll be going with the pore filling primer, and this is the primer from the brand Faces and it's their Ultime Pro Perfecting Primer. Like जो मैंने अभी primer लगाया था वो glowy बनाने के लिए face तो अच्छा है, but if you have enlarged pores तो आपको एक pore filling primer की need पड़ेगी. So that's why I'm using this like two primers on my face, and gently I'll be putting जहाँ जहाँ मुझे लगाना है. थोड़ा like यहाँ पे exaggerated pores हैं, and then थोड़ा सा on nose and थोड़ा सा remaining I'll be putting on the forehead also. So I'm done applying the primer, and this primer has made my skin so soft and smooth, and सारे pores भी filled हैं, so that's really good. उसके बाद I'll be using this palette from My Glam, and it's their Total Makeover FF Cream palette, and this is how the palette looks like. इससे मैं color corrector लेके the orange one I'll just be applying gently like under eye को correct करते हुए, and some on the side of my lips, क्योंकि majorly Indian skin tones पे pigmentations यहीं पे होती हैं. थोड़ा थोड़ा chin पे I'll just correct quickly. So I'm done with the color correction, and for the foundation I'll be using this Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation, and I'm in the shade N220 Natural Medium, and this is how it comes in a glass bottle. बस इसमें एक कमी है कि इसमें pump नहीं है. This wand makes it a bit messy, but the coverage and everything is very good on this foundation. So I'll just be swiping thoda, and I'll be blending it with the help of a beauty blender. Like this foundation gives you a very matte and almost like a full coverage. It's definitely buildable also. So I'll just quickly be blending क्योंकि ये बहुत जल्दी dry out भी हो जाता है. So I have to work really fast with this one. Like the key to get a flawless base is blending. Like जितना आप अच्छे से blend करोगे उतना seamless आपका base और makeup लगेगा. So yes, I'm almost done blending my foundation, and now I'll be using the concealer, and for that I'm using this Instant Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline, and I'm in the shade 130 Medium. So yes, ये बहुत अच्छा concealer है, full coverage है, सब कुछ अच्छा है, बस I just don't like इसका जो sponge tip applicator है, because like it's sort of unhygienic. So I'll just retract some product from it. So I'll just be applying थोड़ा थोड़ा inner corner पे, क्योंकि काफ़ी ज़्यादा coverage है इसकी. So I'll just be taking बहुत carefully. थोड़ा सा over the lid also. And now I'll be blending it with the help of a brush. For setting my under eyes and the face, I'll be using this Fit Me Compact, and I've almost hit pan on this. You can see how much I have used this one. So yes, I'll just be taking some, looking upwards and putting it under my eyes ताकि creasing ना हो. अभी आई माइट लुक अ बिट वियर्ड क्योंकि लाइक इवन टोन हो गया है फेस, अभी मैंने कुछ लगाया नहीं है. सो जस्ट ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस एंड वेट फॉर द फाइनल लुक. क्विकली लाइक ब्रशिंग थ्रू द आईब्रोज एंड फिलिंग इट इन यूजिंग द Etude House eyebrow drawing pencil, and this is how it looks. एक तरफ इसके spoolie and on the other side there is a pencil product which makes it like very convenient. मैं जहाँ पे भी जाती हूँ I take this one along. Like एक perfect traveling option है ये. You need not carry separate spoolie and then brow product to fill in your brows. And yes, it's affordable also and it does a really good job. And this one is in the shade gray brown. Yeah, this is in the shade 02 gray brown, which works very good for me. So I'll quickly do the eyebrows and be back. So done with the eyebrows and moving forward with the eye makeup, I'll be keeping it like sort of smoky eye, and I'll be using my all-time favorite palette, which is from Wet n Wild. Like I've used and abused this palette. You can see मैंने कितना ज़्यादा messy and काफी ज़्यादा use किया हुआ ये palette, because this was like one of my first palettes that I got, and this one is in the shade Rose in the Air, and I'll also be using this palette from Nicka K. So beginning with this transition shade right here, I'll be just putting this on my crease like so. So I did not think पहले कि करना क्या है, so I'm just like matching the colors with the outfit. Now I'll be using this maroon shade. I'll be applying this on my outer V, like यहाँ पे, and then I'll be blending this shade along the crease, like so. Now taking the same previous brush with the transition shade, I'll just be blending it out ताकि like separate lines ना दिखे and एक seamless सा effect आ जाए. So I'll just be blending the entire thing out. So now after doing this, I'm a bit confused कि glitter लगाऊं like this liquid glitter from Swiss Beauty, या फिर ये Nicka K में ऐसा pink सा shimmer है, या to go for like the biggest palette that I own, SFR का ये colorful palette, and इसमें बहुत सारे shades हैं as you can see. This is how the palette looks. इसमें भी बहुत pretty pink color है. So I'm thinking to go with this palette only and try to apply a glitter shade matching to my outfit. So I'm thinking to go with this shade right here, like this pink shade, and I'll be taking थोड़ा सा finger पे and I'll be applying it on the inner corner. Oh, it's बहुत ज़्यादा glittery. As you can see, it looks like this. So I'll just be applying this. Like this is one of the affordable palettes जिसमें इतने ज़्यादा shades मिल जाते हैं, and the shades are really buttery soft, and you can see the pigment already. मैंने थोड़ा सा ही glitter लगाया अपने हाथ से, and you can see how poppy and glittery it looks. And I really like this palette, or rather love this palette. So for the lower lash line, I'll be using this kajal, which is from Lakme, and it's from their iconic range, and I'll be putting it on my lower lash line and smudging it with the help of the same maroon shadow, and it would give you a complete smoked out effect. I'll just show you how this one looks. Using the same maroon shadow, I'll just be smudging this kajal. So almost done smudging on the lower lash line. So this is how the eyeshadow looks, and now I'll be curling my lashes. So yes, using the Kiko Unforgettable Volume Mascara, and I absolutely love this. ये मेरे को दीदी ने दिया था birthday पे gift, like last to last birthday, and since then I've been loving this mascara a lot क्योंकि काफ़ी अच्छी वॉल्यूम प्रोवाइड कर देता है ये. So I'll just be applying it. So can you spot the difference? Like in 1 to 2 coats, this is how my lashes look after mascara, and that is how my usual lashes are. So this is what the mascara has done, and these are my normal lashes, and you can already see the difference how much voluminous this one looks. So that's the reason I love this mascara. So for bronzing my face, I'll be using this My Glam Chisel It palette, and this is how this one looks from inside. It has like 3 things: bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter. So I'll be using this bronzer shade from this palette, And I'll be like putting it here, blending it upwards into my hairline. And if you feel कि थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो गया, you can always control it with using a beauty blender, because you have blended the foundation with the same blender. तो this would absorb and cover जो भी excess होगा. थोड़ा सा I would contour my nose as well. Now I'll be using the same blush from this palette, and it's a very pretty pink color, so that would go with my like outfit also. So I'll just be putting it on the high points of my cheek क्योंकि मुझे fuller effect नहीं चाहिए. I want that snatched, lifted look. So I'll be blending it with the bronzer to make it look seamless, like harsh lines ना दिखे. थोड़ा सा I'll be putting it on my chin as well क्योंकि I just have a habit of doing this, like on my nose as well. थोड़ा सा forehead पे भी. Like blush is my go-to thing. अगर कुछ ना हो, I would do with a cheek tint. थोड़ा सा lips पे भी लगा लिया, eyes पे भी लगा लिया, and like cheeks पे तो लगाया ही. Taking some highlighter, I'll be putting it. Oh, can you see that? It's like really blinding and बहुत ज़्यादा like on the face वाला highlighter है. So I think I have taken a lot. थोड़ा सा I'll just dust it off and then blend it. Can you see that glow? Oh my god, I absolutely love this. थोड़ा सा I'll put it on the nose, on the bridge, on the cupid's bow, and थोड़ा सा I will also put on the inner corners, just like so. And can you see it has awakened my eyes instantly? So moving on with the lipstick, I'll be using my usual liner from Wet n Wild, which is in the shade Chestnut, and I'll be lining my lips. Going in with this lipstick from ELF, and it's in the shade Blushing Rose, and ये बहुत ज़्यादा nude neutral sort of a shade है जो कि in itself थोड़ा सा कम अच्छा लगता है. So क्योंकि I have done a smoky eye, तो I thought like put the focus on the eye itself rather than like putting a bright lip color. Now just on the centers of the lips, I'll be using this Sugar lipstick, and it's in the shade 03 Tan Fan, and I'll be just putting it on the center of the lip ताकि एक थोड़ा सा pop मिल जाए lips को, and just I'll be blending it centers पे ही. So yes, this is the finished look, and I absolutely love this one. Like eye makeup से लेके base makeup, and the lip itself looks so gorgeous and amazing. And ये ombre lips are in trend these days. Like ऐसा Korean vibe sort of देता है. And I absolutely love this lip combo. If you tend to recreate this look, do tag me on Insta. I'll be really happy to see and to repost that, of course. And also do let me know how you feel about this makeup look. I तो absolutely am in love with this look, and if you also like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also do share it with your friends and family. So yes, that was all for this video. Stay home, stay safe, and I'll be back next week with yet another amazing video. Bye bye, love you all.